We are going to start today the practical for the collection of the water holding capacity. We have two different types of soil over here, roadside soil and we have the loamy soil over here. Okay, this is sample 1, this is sample 2. Okay, now we have weighed them approximately. This is the weight of the 50 grams of soil. Take care when you take them into this filter paper. Carefully just collect it. Do not waste any of the grain. Take care that don't fall outside the filter paper. Just collect them properly. Okay. Now I am going to add 50 ml of water to check the water holding capacity. 50 ml of water is to be taken. Now slowly pour gently without allowing the water to come outside from the filter paper. Drop by drop the water is getting filtered and it is collected. Do the process very carefully. Now I am pouring the remaining water. Now as it is a roadside soil, the amount of the water that is getting filtered and collected from 50 ml, it is going to be more. See, drop wise it is getting collected. As it is a sandy soil, the water holding capacity of it is going to be quite less. So as you can see, the reading is around 38 ml. Now I am collecting the second sample of soil, that is the garden soil. This garden soil I am slowly going to add again into the filter paper without disturbing any of the arrangement. Okay, and as you collect this soil, slowly now we will add water into that. Again I am adding 50 ml of water. Pour it gently. Do not allow any of the soil to come into outside of the filter paper. Just pour the liquid, pour water very slowly. This is going to take some time as the soil contains very small particles. Okay, particles of soil are very small, they have humus. So filtering of water will take bit of a time and it will have more amount of retention being done. Okay, so slowly we will be seeing. So as you compare it from sample A, roadside soil, it took less time for the filtration, but sample B, the garden soil, it is taking more time in filtration. Now here we are seeing that almost all the water is being filtered out. Okay, and you can see this is sample B. It is containing garden soil. So here the reading is coming around 33 ml of the water is getting collected. We are seeing that in roadside soil the amount of water collected is more and filtration is done faster. So the water holding capacity of sample A is less compared to the water holding capacity of sample B, that is garden soil. And as you can see, the water getting collected over here is less. So this soil is having more water holding capacity.